Good morning. Adil, you also beta. Keep your camera on. Yes. So yes, students, you all have to take out your English classwork notebook. Yes. You have only one notebook. It means it's classwork only. So write down date, day, and the name of the chapter, the talkative barber, chapter 6, the talkative barber. Yes, stop whispering now. And you people are not supposed to use black pen in excess, okay? Just for heading or just for numbering only. No, we have to start with the dick words first of all. Yes. Am I audible? Online students, my voice is clear? Are you all ready? Okay. So, start writing the new words or dick words, new words. So the very first word is exhausted, and first letter should be small, not capital. Exhausted, because here we are writing the simple words, so new words. Exhausted. What is the meaning of exhausted? Who will tell me? Yes, we have already done. Exhausted. Speak out the spelling of exhausted. Exhausted. Yes. You all have to keep your cameras on, beta. Next one, number 2 is chapter. What is the meaning of chapter? Okay, who is Chatford in the story? Very good. Next one, number 3, impatient. I-M-P-A-T-I-E-N-T. Impatient. What is the meaning of impatient? Loss of temper. Loss of temper. Okay. In our story, who is impatient? Why? Because, yes, Anish. Because why he was impatient in the story? Yes, Piyush. Yes. Because the barber is very talkative. Yes. Next, write down number 4. Separately. S-E-P-A-R-E-T-E-N-Y. Fine. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E-L-Y. Separately. Right? I hope the meaning is clear, and this is a very simple word. But still, why I give this word to you in new words? Because आप लोग mistake पता है क्या करते हैं? S-E-P-E लिखते हैं. Instead of E, you have to write A. So be careful. Speak out the spelling. Okay, write down the 5th word. This is desperation. DE Okay, who will tell me its meaning? We have already done the meaning of desperation. Yes. Extreme behavior. Yes, rash behavior then, right? So write down the next one. 6. Influence. INFLUENCE. What is the meaning of influence? Influence. Yes, when something is affected because of something, then we can say that this is the influence. उस चीज का प्रभाव है, उस चीज के ऊपर influence है, right? And now the next one is industrious. Industrious. What is the meaning of industrious? We have already did this word in done this word in vocabulary also, maybe in your vocabulary part. Okay, there also I think so we have done this word in vocabulary also. Yes. Diligent, hardworking, industrious. I gave you that word now.
Yes.
Have you remembered?
Yes.
So what is the meaning of industrious? Clear? Yes, online students. All the words are clear to all?
Yes.
Meanings clear?
Yes.
If anybody has any confusion or any doubt, you can type in chat box. Are you all writing? Show me your notebooks. I'm asking to online students. I know you all are writing. Yes. Good. Yes, good. Naz and Anshika. Just Jodh. Good. Okay. Now, beta, let's move towards the 8th word. And the 8th word is interference. INTERFERENCE. Interference means yes. Yes, Pratikshna. Okay, good. हाँ, जब हम किसी चीज में बिना मतलब से काम से अड़कते रहते हैं, है ना? If there is need or not need, still we are, behaving like the head in some department, so we can say that we are interfering in that one. Okay, and who is interfering? Again and again in the matter of Sultan's matter, right? So the next one is jealous. 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 I hope this meaning is clear.
Yes.
Next one is jewelry. JEWELLERY. Jewelry. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, just Jodh. Yes. Jewelry नहीं बोलते. Jewelry is not a pronunciation. Jewelry is a pronunciation. Okay. So this is a very simple word, but we still introduce this new word because of pronunciation. Right? What is the pronunciation?
Jewelry.
Jewelry कौन बोलता? session. We all are models, right?
Yes.
So next one, have you all done?
Yes.
Yes, online students, have you done? Yes, have you done, beta?
Yes.
Nipan, finished? Misbah, Subhanshu, Makshi, Hiteshi, Harbin, Dipakshi, have you done, beta? Okay. So now we'll start with make sentence. Can I raise? Don't waste page. If you have space on the same page, then please continue. Okay. Write down heading. Make a meaningful sentence of the given word. Okay, it's fine. Make a meaningful sentence of the given words. So now I am not going to write any sentence on the board. I'm just write only the word. You have to frame sentence by your own. Okay? And listen to me. When we have to frame any sentence, okay? First of all, you have to read the word very carefully, understand its meaning, and after that you have to pay attention कि here we have to ask for which part of the speech. कि हमने इस word का noun, इस word को as a noun use करना है sentence में, adjective use करना है, verb use करना है या adverb use करना है. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes.
And after that, write down. So the very first one is complete. Complete. You have to use this complete word as adjective. Yes. I will give you time. Think. And after that, have one discussion and then you will write. And listen to me. Before discussion, nobody will supposed to write the sentence because you all are using pen. It's look shabby. You will do the cutting. It's better to have one pencil in your hand. And if you want to write any sentence of your own, first of all, write down it with pencil. Okay, no issue. And after that, if it is wrong, erase it. And then when we will finalize any, then you have to write it with pen. Am I clear? Okay. Yes, who will frame one sentence on complete, and you have to use this complete word as adjective. Yes, Kirandeep. Okay. Yes. Yes, students. I'll send you attendance. In the meantime, you have to think for the sentence complete as adjective and complete as verb. She has completed her work. So this is as a verb or adjective. What do you think? Verb. Yes. completed, complete, her homework is complete, right? Yes, Jagdeep. She completes her work. This is as verb or adjective? Okay, who will tell me first of all what is the difference between, here we have the two parts of speech, sorry, adjective and verb. You all know what is the meaning of verb. Yesterday I gave you one activity also now to find out the past and the past participle. It means to say verb का meaning क्या होता है कि जो ये word है वो as a action act करेगा, right? And adjective means to say, what is the meaning of adjective? Describing what बनेगा, right? So आपको ये word को पहले अपने definition को अपने mind में लेके आओ कि उस चीज की definition क्या है, and after that try to use. Like she completes her work, she completed her work, I complete my work. So here this complete verb is word acts as verb. ये verb की तरह act हो रहा है, आपको action बता रहा है, आपने अपना work क्या करा, complete कर दिया, right? So you can write any of the sentence. I complete my work on time as a verb. पहले हम verb को discuss करा, तो पहले verb का sentence लिखिए. You can use your own name. कोई भी अपना अपना नेम लिख लो. Yes. She completes. अगर देखो बेटा, when we have with the subject, है ना? So it acts as a verb ना, वो adjective में act कर ही नहीं रहा. She completes her homework. So here the complete act as verb, not the adjective. Yes, so write down I complete my work on time as verb. Start writing, write down the sentence now. First of all, write down the complete as a verb. Like Gurkaval complete his work on time, completed his work on time, completes his work on time. या तो आप लोग past participle use करा करो, ed लगाया करो. If you are using the singular subject, then don't forget to put s or es with the word. Understood? Yes. ये बन जाएगा, but this is in a continuous way ना, so that's why we will not take it as the appropriate. So it's better you have to use a simple tense, simple past or simple present. I had completed my work. You can write it. As a verb. Have you all done as a verb?
Yes.
Yes, I completed my work as a verb. So now as an adjective. Now come to as adjective. Here we have to use the complete verb as a describing word. Then how you can use it? Yes. Very good. My work is complete. You can check it. So here हमने work को मतलब complete कर लिया. So here this work word complete is act as adjective. Yes. Wait. They complete their homework. No. They complete their homework. So here this complete is as. So what is the answer for the adjective now? Yes. My work is complete. Right. So write down this sentence very short and sweet. My work is complete. It is here the complete is as adjective. My work is complete. Write down. Sorry. But it should be correct. Her work is complete as a adjective. My work is complete. So write down as adjective, my work is complete. As adjective, write down the sentence, my work is complete. Beta, I complete my work. This is my work is complete. So इसको adjective करो, इसको work करो. My work, work, I complete my work. This is a verb, and this is a adjective. Yes, have you done? Yes, students, done? Online students, have you all done these two words? Right. So the next word is stop. Stop. Only stop, not full stop. Stop as noun and stop as verb. Yes. Yes, Ankita. Sit down first of all. Don't the half stand mato. Yes, Ankita, speak up. Please stop the car. Okay, but do you think here the stop is act as a noun or a verb? Okay. First of all, we have noun. So please make one sentence on stop as a noun. Yes. Red light. What is the meaning of noun? पहले अपने माइंड में डेफिनेशन लेके आओ सर नाउन की क्या होती है. What is the meaning of noun? Yes, Naman. What is the meaning of noun? Har Soham, Har Noor. Naming things are noun. Like this word को for a name, for a person, for a place use करते हैं. Then we can say that this word is a noun. Now you have to use this stop word as a noun. So name, thing and place पे use होना है ये word. की तरह use होना है ये word. Yes. Yes, Gurkamal. They. Your word is sentence is not clear, Gurkamal. Yes, right answer, Nidhima. Nidhima, frame one sentence on as a noun. Bus stop is near our house. Right. जब मैंने आपको place word बोला तो आपके माइंड में आया ना bus stop. Very good. Very appropriate sentence. Yes. Beta Raman, stop the car. So here the stop is as. But we are talking about noun. Yes, Ankita. No. As a noun we have to use. Why? You have to make a meaningful sentence, no beta. You should go to the stop for your destiny. Yes. Yes, please drop me at the bus stop or at the stop. Yes. Yes, or can you drop me to my stop? This one is also correct. Yes, Angad, very good. Beta, here please stop is as a verb. We are talking about the noun. Okay? Yes. Bus stop is near my. Okay. There is stop at the end of the road. Yes, this is also as a noun. Right. What about others? You all have to try, beta. Hiteshi, Grubika, Harbin. Gurleen, you all have to try. Ridwan, try to frame sentence. Yes, so what is the final answer? Which sentence would you like to write now on the stop? हर्ष आपने बोला था ये कौन सा सेंटेंस था? There is a bus stop near my house. है ना? Can you drop to my stop? Question mark. This one is also correct. So write down any one sentence of your own on the stop. Stop as noun. Have you all done?
Yes.
Subhanshu, this is wrong sentence. Now, frame one sentence on stop as a verb. On stop as a verb. So many of you can say. Yes, Falika. जो sentence बना रहे हैं ना, there is nothing wrong in your sentence, but try to be short and sweet. Okay? इतने complex sentence मत बनाया करो, simple sentence बनाया करो. Yes, now who will make? Yes, Dhruv. The car stopped near my house. Very good. Yes, Berlin. Rahul stopped the car. Very good. Yes. The barber can't stop talking. Yes. The police stopped the driver. Very good. So write down now. Stop is very easy as a verb. Write down. Yes, the barber was not stopping. Stopping talking. No, Subhanshu, wrong again. Because sentence formation is not correct. He stopped the car in between. You have to complete this sentence first now. This is incomplete, beta. Yes. Right. But as I earlier told you, try to frame simple sentence. Lakshita? Yes. Yes. Stop is project. Right. Sit down now, everyone. Write down stop as a verb. And after that, the next word is order. Order as noun. And order again as verb. Order as noun. Here the verb is act as verb. Yes. Order as noun and order as verb. Bhumika, right answer for the stop. Yes, now any new one? कौन बताएगा? Yes. Beta, again order as noun first of all. Then we will talk about the verb. Yes, for Soham. I ordered him. Again, you are talking about the verb now, taking as order as a verb. But here, what is the meaning of noun? You have to use this order word as a, we can say that again as a name, place or a thing. जिसमें वो noun दिखे हमें. You all know the main 5 types of the noun. Only the main 5 types of noun. So try to use this order word like that. Yes, Angad. He had ordered a pizza is a verb. He ordered a pizza is again a verb. Yes, just me. Navdeep, sorry. I follows my mother order. Please order a pizza. Ask the customers their order. Yes, right answer, Nidhi ma'am. Ask the customers their order. She's right. Yes, Shivansh.
Hence the Sultan ordered to call the barber.
This is verb. ये verb नहीं. First of all, you have to frame one sentence as a noun. Yes, Berlin.
I ordered pizza.
I ordered pizza is as a verb, beta. As a noun. Yes, Yajat.
The servant followed the sultan's order.
Follows my mother's order, Sultan's order. One and the same thing. Okay, sit. Next, Gurnas.
My order of pizza is late. Sorry.
Yes, right. The books were in order. Place the books in order. Noun. Yes, Lakshita.
That was not my
No. Yes, Bhavika. Place your things in order. Okay. Yes, Harnoor. Okay. We have one more period now. Then we will discuss. Okay. So thank you, students. That's all from my side. She placed an order for a cake. So write down order as a noun. She placed an order